Hello, MOTOROLA Edge here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your Spotify app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go to the Play Store, go to the search bar, search again, Spotify, right here, click, and maybe you just need to update the app. Update bar should be right there if you have the update available, but if you have like me, that's me, you have the newest version and everything should be alright. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way is just go to the settings, go here, apps, scroll, go to the search bar, find your Spotify, right there, permissions, and allow all of this. After you allow them, there shouldn't be more issues, and if you have still, you can go here and just allow here. That means you have no limit of the mobile data usage on Spotify. After this, there shouldn't be more issues, but if you still got some issues, I'm gonna show you last easiest way. So last way is just go to the Play Store, uninstall, yes, and just install again, just reinstalling the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.